Welcome to your first day of coding. I know staring at a blank computer screen can feel a little intimidating. Almost everyone feels nervous when they start, but we are going to take this one small step at a time. So, what actually is a program? Put simply, a program is nothing but a step-by-step instruction manual. You are giving the computer a very specific list of things to do. This diagram shows exactly how that relationship works. Think of the computer as a cook in a kitchen. The cook needs a recipe to make a meal. In this setup, Python is simply the language we use to write that step-by-step recipe. And the final dish the cook serves up is what we call our output. Every programmer in the world begins with the exact same recipe, making the computer say, "Hello world." We do this to run a quick test, just to check if the cook is awake and listening to our instructions. There is no magic involved here. You have an intention in your human mind, and you are simply translating it into a structured language that your machine understands. Let's write our very first line of code. Our main goal right now is to instruct the computer to display some specific text onto the screen. This diagram shows how we start that instruction. We use the word print. In Python, typing print is exactly like calling a local delivery service. You are telling the system that you have a message that needs to be sent out. Next, we add open and closed parentheses right after the word. Think of these brackets as the physical cardboard box provided by the delivery guy. Whatever message we want to send has to go safely inside this box. Inside that box, we add quotation marks. These act like protective bubble wrap. If we don't use this wrap, Python will get confused and try to read our normal human English words as if they were computer commands. The quotes tell Python, "Keep your hands off. This is just plain text." Finally, we place our actual message inside the bubble wrap. We type, "Hello world." And there it is. Print parentheses hello world. You have written a complete, correct line of code. These rules of code are really just like grammar. If you provide the delivery box and the protective bubble wrap, the computer will deliver your exact message every single time. Before we run this, you need to know how Python reads. It reads your code from top to bottom, exactly like you would read a page in a book. This diagram shows a simplified computer terminal. The terminal is your machine's raw communication screen. When we type our print command in here and hit enter, the computer reads it immediately and returns the text "Hello World" right below it. The cook heard you. But typing in that plain dark screen can get hard to read. That is why most programmers use an alternative called VS Code. VS Code is like a smart notebook for coders. It automatically colors different parts of your code, like making the print command blue and the text orange, so your eyes can easily spot the different pieces. In this smart notebook, you don't have to type commands to make the code run. You simply write your recipe, go to the top right corner, and click the Run button. Whether you prefer the raw, old-school terminal or a colorful smart notebook like VS Code, the underlying Python logic and the end result remain the same. The kitchen looks different, but the recipe still works. Wait a second before you rush to the next lesson. You are going to make mistakes. We all do. When your screen suddenly fills with red error text, take a deep breath. That is just the computer asking you for clarification. Look at this comparison. A capital P in print results in an error, since Python is strictly case-sensitive. The lowercase p gets a green checkmark. Furthermore, if you forget a closing bracket, Python gets stuck waiting because you never closed the delivery box. Now that you know the rules, let's take control. You can put anything inside that bubble wrap. You can type, "Print, my name is Priyjeet." You can even stack your commands. If you write a second line right below it saying, "Print, I am learning Python," the computer will finish the first line and then move straight to the second. So here's a quick piece of homework for you. Open up your editor and write a new print statement featuring your absolute favorite food. Get comfortable with those brackets and quotes. You've successfully written code that your computer understood and acted on. You've just finished your first real conversation with a machine, and that is a great start. Good job today.